Hi there. I have had an opportunity to read over 100 books on personal finance, investing, you name it. And I thought this is the best time to discuss with you what I found out after reading all these books. Of course, guys, the underlying thing is that knowledge is power. Okay? Knowledge is power because it is knowledge which is going to assist you have competitive edge out there, is going to assist you have unfair advantage over your competition. And that's why I want to share with you some motivation with regards to what I learned after reading over 100 personal finance, investing, and such kind of books for you to get inspiration in your quest to obtaining financial freedom. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. And by the way, if you're out there and you love the kind of videos I put up each and every day around personal finance, investing, you name it, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Subscribe for you to be catching up on such awesome videos each and every day. Having said that, we're talking about there being thousands and thousands of awesome finance and motivation books out there. I won't really pick on any of them, or even so maybe favor any of the authors out there, because guys, we have a good number of great authors, no question about that. And that's why I want just to summarize to you what I've learned after reading all these different kind of books, right? And I'm sharing this video for two folds. First of all, for it to be a challenge to you and motivate you to also read different books out there, and most importantly also just give you the key takeaway, because in case you're out there, for example, you want to know how beneficial they are, and also most importantly what is going to assist your life with, this could be the thing which you need to know as a takeaway. Having said that, the very first thing I've learned is that, guys, you need to take action. Hope is not and will never be a strategy. To give you an explanation of this is that in case you are, for example, even reading one finance book each and every day, and yet you are not taking action, woe unto you. You need to know that, guys, hope is not a strategy and will never be a strategy. After you've read a given finance book, motivation book, investing book, guys, put that book down, get your hands dirty, work to ensure you can be able to realize what your goals are beyond what that particular motivation for that book is giving you. And I'm saying so because I've seen, for example, a good number of people out there read these books back to back, and yet they are doing very, very little action on their end. Know that hoping is not a strategy, so go out there, ensure you take action, implement, and that's the only way you can be able to change your financial fortunes beyond you getting motivation from finance books and whichever other sources. Okay? And then, second thing is that don't actually believe everything. Guys, authors understand the science of getting you hooked into any given piece of literature out there. Of course, they're going to be sharing good nuggets of wisdom in those books, but also understand that actually exaggeration is real. A good number of them do exaggerate to assist you paint the picture. Let me give you an example. For example, in case an author says maybe they were able to make $10 million in just 1 year, having come from nothing. Yes, that is good motivation, but you don't have to kill yourself to also be able to achieve that. And I'm saying so because everyone's journey out there is different. You get the necessary motivation, but also understand your pace, your journey is going to be different. And also authors out there exaggerate to assist you have that picture sticking in your head. Okay? Even someone out there, for example, could have made maybe only 70K in 1 year, but they're going to say they made $1 million just to assist you have that urge, have that desire to also achieve. So don't believe everything, but understand you need to get the essence or the summary of it all, and then use it as the fuel for you also working towards your financial freedom. Okay? And then the third thing I've learned is that you reading motivation finance book regularly assists you keep your mind fresh and actually gives you new hope in whatever you are pursuing. Guys, people out there talk about, for example, writer's block when it comes to songwriting, when it comes to writing literature and so forth. But also in pursuit of goals, guys, there is also a mental block which happens. So you reading this kind of books assist you stay motivated, assist you be fresh, and actually gives you the urge or even so that particular push which is going to assist you continue working towards you obtaining your financial goals, your financial freedom. So read finance books to stay fresh and also just to keep your hope alive as you continue to take action. Beyond having hope, I've said also take action. So keep reading for you to stay motivated, okay? And then the fourth thing I've learned is that actually, guys, also we have a good number of people out there who don't read. And I'm saying so because even when it comes to finance, accounting, management, and so forth, there are those basic things which actually are written in plain language in different books out there, which a good number of people out there don't know. You could find, for example, someone has been in business for even 10 years. Yes, they have acquired necessary skills through practice, through apprentice, and so forth. But there are those basic things around management, finance, accounting, and so forth, which are actually detailed in many books out there, and yet a good number of people don't know. So in case you are among the people who don't read, kindly try your level best to also be reading a finance book, a motivation book out there at whichever interval. And hopefully over time, you're going to be able to add to your knowledge bank. And guys, as human beings, knowledge is our weapon. This life is a war to some extent, a war to success, a war to getting prosperity and so forth. Knowledge is your weapon. So ensure you read for you to be able to have an advantage over the most people out there who don't read, okay? And then the fifth thing I've learned is that reading helps build a good collection. And by the way, you having a good collection of books is going to be easy for you, for example, to even build networks, to even, for example, have good conversations with people out there, you name it. You know what? You having different books, most of you not just having them sitting on a shelf, but also reading them is going to assist you have a wide breadth of ideas and also understand what's going to be the easiest point to start a conversation with someone relating to money, relating to investing, relating to current affairs, you name it. So ensure you read and also you have a good collection for you to also build your network over time. And most importantly, be having awesome conversations with people who matter out there. Because guys, there isn't an easy way of breaking the ice. Hey, someone breaking it through knowledge and more so the other person right from the onset feeling that they have something to gain from this particular person. So ensure you read for you to be able to be flowing such smoothly in different conversations and also building networks out there easily. Okay? And then guys, the sixth thing which I've learned through reading these different kind of books is that reading helps you stay grounded. And I'm saying so because this is going to assist you understand that actually life has ups and downs. Okay? Reading is going to assist you know that life has ups and downs. And actually that is actually anchored in the essence of literature, whereby we have introductions out there, we have setups, we have climaxes out there. Most of the times, in most books out there, there is some form of drama. In other words, showing you where someone has come from and also where they are going. Through that, you're going to also appreciate that life has ups and downs. Even the greatest of people out there, those who have become multimillionaire, billionaires, presidents, you name it, they also have had ups and downs. And with that, it's going to assist you stay grounded because you know anything you have could be gone in the next second, could be gone in the next minute. It's going to assist you actually work towards your financial goals with more confidence and also understanding that actually you need to be prudent because anything is possible. Okay? And then the last thing I've learned about reading all these different kind of books is that actually these books are very important in assisting you exert yourself. And that's so because they give you confidence with regards to having knowledge, and also they give you confidence with regards that you know you are on the right trajectory. Because you could have, for example, someone you relate to. Maybe even your favorite idol out there was actually at the point which you are at this particular point in time, maybe 20 years ago, maybe 15 years ago. That is going to give you the confidence to exert yourself because you know things are possible. if so and so made it, you too can make it, okay? If so and so went through this particular situation and came out very well, you too can make it. So it's gonna give you the confidence to exert yourself, and actually that particular confidence gonna be your fuel to beyond the knowledge. What do you all think about this tip? I've shared with you 7 tips, or even so 7 things I've learned from reading hundreds of finance and investing books out there. I hope you've gotten a thing or two of this, and most importantly, you've gotten the motivation for you to read books, so that over time you can be able to have the confidence, the fuel with regards to knowledge, which is going to be very useful in assisting you work towards realizing your finance goals. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you guys other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.